Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Victus 15fa1010ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we're addressing today is that many users report their HP Victus getting so hot it burns to touch. This overheating can occur due to a range of factors, including dust build-up in the cooling system or a failing CPU fan. If left unchecked, this can lead to permanent damage to the internal components or even data loss. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, thermal paste, and some compressed air. First, begin by ensuring the laptop is powered down and unplugged. Then, locate the screws on the base of the laptop, carefully removing them with your Phillips screwdriver. Place them in a safe location to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use your plastic opening tool to gently pry the back cover off, taking care not to force it as this could damage the casing. Inside, you will notice the cooling fan and the heatsink assembly. The likely culprit for the overheating is the fan, which may be obstructed by dust. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and heatsink. If the fan still appears faulty, you will need to disconnect its power cable carefully. Ensure you do this gently to avoid damaging the connector. Next, locate the screws securing the fan in place and remove them, applying a light but firm pressure. When lifting the fan out, be cautious of any nearby cables and components. If you need to replace the fan, ensure the new one is compatible with the HP Victus 15fa1010ns. Place the new fan in position, secure it with screws, and reconnect the power cable. Once this is done, reapply thermal paste to the CPU if it was previously removed, ensuring an even layer for optimal heat transfer. To close the laptop, carefully align the back cover and press it down until it snaps into place. Replace all screws securely but do not over-tighten them, as this could strip the threads. Now, power on the device to ensure everything functions correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to regularly clean the vents and fans, and ensure good airflow around the laptop. Additionally, consider using a cooling pad during intensive tasks to help manage temperatures effectively. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.